Oh my god, the PS5 is actually here, people. Let's go.
Salmon?
Yes, sir.
Happy about that?
Yep.
You know what it is?
PS5, baby. Let's go. Oh my god. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have, the care package came in. The boy hooked us up from Kanpur. Shout out to Kanpur. And we got all the accessories in this box. I'm gonna show you. We got the headset. We won't even look at the headset right now. You know what I'm saying? We got the remote, the PS5 remote. We won't look at that right now. We also have the camera. The PS5 camera, perfect for streaming, and this is 1080p. So if you want to see more stuff on this, make sure you guys are subscribed if you're new, so you don't miss when I test those out. But the beast is inside this package right here, so let's take it out for the first time ever. PS5. This thing is heavy. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yes, sir. PS5. We have a lot of paperwork in here. Oh, that's just the receipt and stuff. But yo, just take a look at the box, man. So on this side, you can see we have 825 gigs. Normally, some people say like 1 terabyte, but some is for the storage. Let's see what else we have. 8K. This can go up to 8K resolution. We also have 4K 120 HDR. And I'm going to hook it up to this monitor right here, which is a 2K monitor from BenQ. So that's going to be sick playing games on that. But yo, let's jump on into unboxing. Let's go. All right, the first cut. I think that's all the cuts we'll need. Oh, I just ripped the box a little bit. Let's see. Oh my god. So it's a box inside of a box. Yo, this is insane. Damn, this is heavy, bro. This is heavy. So this is the other box. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I feel like to take out too. Hold on. Now it's time to get in. There we go. Yo, it's just like building up to the hype, you know what I'm saying? Like they keep giving me boxes, bro. Another box. Inside of another box. Oh my god. Let's get it. So these are the cords. All the cables you need. The controller. Woo-hoo. The first time seeing the controller. Damn. Yo. This feels sick. Nah, this feels... Yo, this feels weird, bro. Damn, this is the PS5 controller in the flesh. That's just the controller. And as I said before, in here we just have like all the cables, USB-C cable for the controller, AC plug for the PS5. Then also this. Don't need that shit. Don't need that. We also have the base. So this is the base. So if you guys want to lay the PlayStation 5 down, we have the base right here. Crazy. Weird mechanism, but you could rotate it and stuff like that. We'll figure that out. See what else we got inside this little package. Then we also have the HDMI 2.0. So a lot of people are saying HDMI cable is supposed to have the 2.0, but it doesn't say 2.0 on it, but it's indeed HDMI 2.0 cable right here. And that's it for all our like amenities inside this box. It's time for the big boy. It's time for the big boy. Oh my god. Yo, I'm kind of scared pulling this out, bro. All right, there we go. This is probably not the way to pull this out. Yo, move this box. Whoo! Yo! Guys, do not try that at home. That's not the way to unbox this thing. But there we go. Look at my baby. If y'all ready to see this, drop a like on this video. Drop a like. Let's get it. Let's get it. Bro, PS5 really wants us to like wait to see how this thing looks, man. There she goes. The PS5. Yo, this thing is huge. Yo. This is a sick design. Damn. It's huge. Look how big this thing is compared to me. I mean, my head is not that big, but still, like, yo, this is like my chest up to my head, low-key. But yo, this is insane. So just looking at it, we can see that we have a couple buttons here. The power button, eject button. Then we have like all the vents in here for thermals. On the back, we have more ports. Yo, so we have a LAN cable, the AC, HDMI. I wish there was more HDMIs, I don't know why, or a display port. USB-A, couple USB-A, Kensington lock. Then we have the PlayStation logo right here. But yo, that's basically it for the PlayStation. Insane. And we also have the part for a disc. So this is the disc version. We could put our disc in and everything. I'm just excited to turn this bad boy on. But let's take a look at these small accessories that we have here. You have a remote, you could just keep that near your couch. We have a couple buttons on it. Disney button, Netflix, stuff like that. This is gonna be the HD camera, perfect for streaming, stuff like that. Okay. USB type C. Oh, it's attached. Sucks, but it is what it is. So this is the camera, the HD camera, 1080p. Cable is attached to it and everything, but I've done a review on these headsets already, so if you guys want to check that out, this is like a re-unboxing, but this is what the headsets look like. Solid headsets on head, so it look like. But yeah, now is the time for me to play around with the PS5. So I'm gonna plug it in for the first time and let's see what's up. Let's go. No. Yo, you have to try that. You have to try that, bro. Alright guys, so I have everything plugged in, PS5 ready, HDMI, controller connected, everything. Now this is an ultra wide monitor, so I'm assuming it will look stretched, but let's hear that beep for the first time. Let's go. Ooh wee! Look at those lights. This is the sickest part about it, man. And we have the controller. Look. PlayStation. Let's go. And as I could already see it looking stretched, but that's only because of the monitor. HDR. Ooh. Woohoo. Yo. This is clean. Damn. You guys can hear that, bro? I'm turning it up. So it's telling us to plug in our controller, which I have right here. It's in, right? Now we could choose. Let's go.
6.5 hours later.
Alright, so finally got into the PS5. Some rigorous like sign up process. We have to put in a lot of stuff, but now we're in. So as you can see, we don't really have any games on, but this is like the home screen. This is one of the games that I think we could play right now that actually shows you how the PlayStation feels. We still got that share factory for people who want to edit videos and stuff like that. But yo, this quality, the quality on the screen right now is sharp. Razor sharp. This controller is probably the most lit thing. I can feel all of that motion sensor. This controller is probably the most like microphone. Yeah, go back somewhere, go back. This controller is insane. Like you could feel, can't explain it. It's just something you guys have to experience for yourself. But this controller is like one of the best rumbles I've ever felt in a PlayStation controller in my life. I have this plug. Pull this. Yo! Oh. Could feel the glass. Someone run through this. I could feel the bushes. This is insane. PlayStation really outdid themselves this year, bro. Like, look at this quality. SSD, Speedway. Let's see what's over here. This is like the fun, I guess, for the game. See if we could go in here. Cooling springs. So, cooling springs. Yeah, you could feel like the fan blowing right here. And then when you stand up here, it feel normal, but you can still feel the fan on the right side. But when you're here, you could feel the fan everywhere. Bro, games on this is gonna feel sick. The water. Can feel the water. Feel the sun. Yo, that's insane, guys. Alright, so the PS5 has to be updated, so it's downloaded the latest update right now. I'm gonna download some games, play with this thing, and then make sure you guys are subscribed so you come back to my next video to see my full thoughts and review on the PlayStation 5. So if you guys enjoyed this unboxing and setup video, make sure you drop a like down below. Comment down below what you want me to test out with the PlayStation 5. And as always, love, peace, and happy gaming. Peace. Signing out.